let's explore Aberdeen Country Park and its nature trail. First, take the Wongchuk Hang Station and then get off at exit A, ride the green minibus 4M to Shik Pai 1 and then get off to Yongkwang Road. The start of the hike is on the Aberdeen Country Park. Just follow the directions and then it will lead you to the Aberdeen Circular Walk. And by the way guys, just a little knowledge, it is the only country park in Hong Kong with a short trail and barbecue area for its wheelchair users. There are paths which is shaded by trees and very easy to walk. In fact, the full hike is considered to be easy and very nice to walk on a gloomy day with lots of paved areas too. Anyway, Aberdeen Reservoir was built to supply water to the west side of the Hong Kong Island together with Pok Fulam Reservoir. It is officially opened in 1931 and it is the last reservoir built in Hong Kong Island. I'm sorry, it's very difficult for me to pronounce the reservoir. I think reservoir. Thank you for our tour guide, our Nanay Anse, because she's the one who knows the way. So it wasn't been so difficult for us to go the entire area. So it was really a fun day. Although one of our friend got a little bit, what do you call this? Like kinapos ng hininga sa pag-akyat sa mga hagdan na ito, but still it was worth it because it was a great bonding for us again. View here at the top of the Aberdeen Country Park.
Wala gidya.
Ay planking ka man bay.
Ingat lang gihapon yaway na gidya.
Tamo akong tiyan gamay na kag. Isa pala kasi mana pero wala ko ni ara gid manggali no. Matyaga.
Oo, di ba?
Biskan 1 minute mo lang nga i-ano.
Hindi nga tapos. Sa dodo lang no. Nga tapos kung gidya bago ko ya matulog. Mas manami gidya gali kung bago kayo matulog. Tapos 20 minutes tapos matulog ka na dahil. Manong ko dahil tubig sa kakakuan. Gamay akong kwarto, hindi ko na mahimo sa kwarto. Gamay gidya akong kwarto, makatulog sa sitio. Makatulog.
Katulog ka to ha? Katulog ka to.
Sana sang okay pa kami ni Donya. Minsan okay pa kami. Ang bago ni madam, okay lang yan dito sa balay. Nang katulong na sa balay.
Sa to akong dio.
Mandia di o.
Wala ko yung
Arabutong gali sa
Hindi ko makagto.
Ala buto.
Ay, gaano man.
Maki mo. Ang among ginawayan, nangayo lang kasang tawil. Dua ka tawil. Kuto madam bakli ko dua
Mula
ka
na
tawil.
ang dam no.
If you're looking for a last minute hike, this is a perfect one, a very accessible from the city, relatively easy, quick, but still quite scenic. So this is all I have for now. Thank you for watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share na rin po. Thank you so much!